Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Safari bookmarks to iCloud and keep sync stable. Complete guide step by step clearly. To backup Safari bookmarks to iCloud, begin by launching the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Next, select iCloud from the list of options. Ensure that you are signed in with the same Apple ID you use for Safari. Scroll down to find Safari in the list of apps utilizing iCloud. Toggle the switch next to Safari to the on position if it isn't already enabled. Once the toggle is on, Safari will start backing up your bookmarks to iCloud automatically. If you are using a Mac, open the Apple menu and select System Preferences. In System Preferences, click on Apple ID and check that you are signed in with your Apple ID. On the left sidebar, click on iCloud. Make sure the box next to Safari is checked to enable iCloud syncing for your bookmarks. Open the Safari browser on your Mac. Click on the Safari menu located in the top left corner of the screen. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, navigate to the General tab. Ensure that your preferred home page. Now, visit the Bookmarks tab within Preferences to organize or edit your bookmarks as needed. To maintain a stable sync with iCloud, ensure that your devices are connected to the internet. Regularly check that iCloud is updated on all devices. If you experience syncing issues, sign out of iCloud on your device and sign back in. This will refresh the connection and often resolve minor glitches. To confirm that bookmarks have backed up successfully, visit a different device connected to the same iCloud account. Open Safari and navigate to your bookmarks to verify that they appear as expected. If everything is in order, you have successfully backed up and synced your Safari bookmarks to iCloud. Following these steps will help ensure your bookmarks are consistently backed up and available across all your devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.